Hello guys, Pete here, N6QW, and I'm running some tests here with the hybrid transceiver. And right now what I did is install the bandpass filter on the after the transmit mixer stage. So only seeing a 7 megahertz signal come out, and we're seeing about to a 50 ohm load, we're seeing about something on the order of about 350 millivolts. So we got a lot of amplification we got to do. But here's what it looks like. Norway 6 Queen Willie N6 QW. Hello, test 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Norway 6 Queen Willie. Pattern looks pretty symmetrical. We'll do a little stuff here with the balance control. But I'm encouraged by what I see. So this looks like it'll be pretty good. We're listening to on the R4C in the background. N6QW here. That's the carrier balance. Straight up, no control. Hello, Pete here, N6QW. I'm heartened by what I see on the transmit test. This looks like it is going to be okay. I need to build a pre-driver and a driver stage following this, and I got an idea about a final amplifier, so I'm going to be working on that a little bit. But anyway, first transmitter test out of the hybrid. We did put a bandpass filter right there, as you can see, following the 12B6 mixer stage, transmit mixer. So looks like looking pretty good. N6QW here. Getting a different mic here, and we're a little discombobulated here with a different mic. This is the D104 power mic. Hello, radio. Well, you get a little more gain out of that one. Hello, radio. We're hitting hello, radio. That looks a lot better. I got a little feedback out of that, but I like that pattern a lot better. So, November 6, Quebec Whiskey here. First transmitter test that we're conducting here. Let's see if we can move that up a little bit. Hello, radio. 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Norway 6 Queen Willie and 6 QW. It might be flat topping just a little bit, but I'm holding the mic, holding the camera, and doing everything all at once. So we'll say our 7 3s and 6 QW here. Working on the hybrid here. I tuned up the bandpass filter for the receive, and boy, did that make a difference. And I have a bandpass filter on the transmit side. New audio amp, the LM380 instead of the 383. Doesn't get anywhere near the heat as the other did. So that seems to be working okay. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'm not sweating it too much. I'm not gonna get that.
Operating a lot better. The underside. Man, that's compact wiring. I'm not sure I could build that again.
Could be a conclusion that the 5300 right out of the box sounds great, and you don't have to touch anything really.
That's pretty much true. There's no doubt about that.
the what they call the white setting, and I know that's
RF gain. RF gain.
So you can set the
Mic gain. Carrier balance.
You want just like I'm on the treble on the bass. I set that. So
NE5534 LM380 14 pin. Boy, picking up that bandpass filter sure made a difference. Kind of anxious to get this working on sideband. Transmit.
Have a simpler ID like they were sort of doing in such as I used to. It's just a problem. All right, man. Thank you, and you have a wonderful afternoon. Yes,
7 threes.
Yeah, we'll be talking to you. All right, my friend. I'm looking forward to it.